okay, and offer a great flexibility for more automation to maximize contract conversion rates of our customers. So, Varun, can you give us more information about what your low-code platforms brings in terms of capabilities?
Sure. So this brings lights to the composable banking. Now, that's what we have built on the Nugent's low-code platform. And it's very interesting. I even call it disposable banking. In this architecture, what you like, what you want to scale, you can compose and grow. What you don't like, what is restricting your growth, dispose. Right? So that's the benefit on a low-code platform, which gives you like a hyper-automation scale, personalization to whatever level as a bank you want to achieve or you want to deliver to your end clients. Now, Vineet, can you sum up the partnership between Nugent and SBS and how we can add the value?
So the key take, the time that they are looking to invest. So Varun, will you help demonstrate a little bit about our low-code platform?
Sure, definitely. So what we can see is it's an end-to-end platform, omni-channel. So the customer can initiate the journey either on a mobile or sitting on their desktop, so wherever, and they can complete the journey started from one point to another point. So this is where the customer can provide their key details. They could even simulate what is the need of the loan, what products, interest rates, charges, fees, etc. suit. So customers can, by all means, self-serve themselves. Now that helps in better experience for the customers and a faster application for the bank. Now once I have filled this and I like a specific product, I can provide all my detailed information like my address proofs, my documents from a KYC perspective, and even if I am stuck up somewhere, from the app I can schedule a meeting with the bank's back office team if I want any assistance from a lending officer or somewhere at the bank level. So it gives me an end-to-end experience from the customer side perspective. Once done, the system on the bank side takes all that application, all that data, automated way to the bank's back office or the front office team. So there can be, say, a front end or a loan officer who can review that information submitted by the customer, who can review all that document being provided by the client on the app. And once submitted, if everything is okay, they can proceed. But if something is missing, from there, they can trigger like a digital link or email to the customer to provide that information to the back officer. Once I'm happy that all the information is correct, all the information provided is perfect and is meeting all the regulatory compliance, I can move it forward straight through to the underwriter for further processing. Now, at the underwriter level, as a user, I have all the information in space. I don't have to waste my time. All the gaps have been pre-filled by the pre-officer or by the app at the customer level. And once that information is in place, we can, as an underwriting officer, I can do all the financial calculation, risk scoring, the ability to pay for the customers. I can also validate the document in a single view over the platform without spending my time here and there. Now, if there are scenarios where special approvals are required from senior managers within the organization, we can, on the workflow, we can route it to the hierarchy within the bank side where the senior people can authorize, make deviation approvals, etc. And once everything is set, we can even dispose of the loan from here, which can be sent to the customer. A digital contract can be sent for e-signing. And once that is done, we can create the loan straight away because we have the ready integration with Sopra Banking. We can send that data to Sopra Banking where finally the loan gets settled. Now, the beauty is what you saw is that all that is configured over a low-code platform. It gives you the flexibility to design the processes, drag and drop, define all the integration, whether it's with SBS or with, for example, for any external data aggregation tool or credit check, KYC check, etc. It gives you flexibility to design the UX or the personas for different users. So how the information will look to underwriter or how to a loan officer, you can set all that experience, even for your brokers or for your end clients. You can configure all that. You can also configure all the rules, the brain behind it, how we are doing auto scoring, auto calculation, auto approvals, and all. They're not coded, they are configured into an enterprise rules platform over here. Then I can also set how the allocation, the priority of the work, the priority of the loan transaction happens within the front office and the back office. And last but not the least is the health. Is as a operations officer, I want to see my dashboards, my KPIs, how many process on time, how many got stuck and where, right? So on a real-time basis, we can configure all those reports within the platform and publish to different users.
Varun, can you tell us also how you help banks to tackle this challenge on new gen sites?
Sure, thanks, Pierre. So speed and faster processing, plus the changing market dynamics are some of the key challenges what banks today are facing globally, right? What everyone wants is flexibility, agility, but the rigid systems don't allow them to expand or scale that way. At Newgen, we offer end-to-end automation. From initiation of the loan, like we said, on a digital or a mobile banking or omni-channel, from processing them end-to-end, from underwriting, scoring, risk profiling, using the data, using the automation, all end-to-end on a single platform. So, Pieris, now the scene being set, what are your views on a full lending life cycle?
Well,